Alright, so welcome back again dito sa ating reseller tutorial, and to this topic or to this video, pag-uusapan naman natin yung magsasample na tayo kung paano yung gagawin kapag ka nag-purchase na or nag-avail na yung client mo sa iyong application or sa iyong software, sa iyong system. Na ngayon, I would like to repeat this again that there are three important sites. Yung Cosmic Club Store, dapat meron kang account yan kasi dyan mo rin isi-set up yung payment. Okay? So, dito mo isi-set up yung payments. Alright? And then, reseller admin is dito mo isi-set up yung sa reseller. Dito mo i-monitor kung sino na yung nag-purchase sa'yo or nagbili ng application mo or yung system. And then yung white label website is basically yung website mo na. So, for this example, posparaSaLahat.com, basically, ito yung ginamit ko because this is what I've been setting up as of the making of this video. But for you, it depends on kung ano yung ipapangalan mo sa domain name mo. Alright? So, example lang to. So, it can be different from you. Alright? So this time we're going to start na what if meron nang mag-avail nung website mo. Okay? So basically, we're going to use this one muna, yung HTTPS posparaSaLahat.com. So copy natin to and let's go to our Google Chrome. Okay? And then let's paste this one at the diyan sa address bar ng natin, ng browser. Google Chrome yung gamit natin. And this is what it looks like. So basically, if meron ka kung dito sa settings ng reseller admin mo, and if you change this image here, change mo yan by just uploading an image here. Okay? So hindi ko na isa-sample yan because okay lang naman to. So what if makita na to na share mo na ito sa customer mo or sa prospect mo, sa client mo, and they're going to register. So for example, I'm going to register this one. So before that one, balik muna tayo dito sa admin account or sa reseller admin mo. So dito sa stores, dito mo makikita yung mga new registration. Okay? Itong owners naman yung mga admin users. So mamaya makikita natin dito sa stores na pumapasok na yung the one who created now. So magki-create tayo ng store. We going to have a sample store. So we say store name is sabihin natin Juan. Ano na talaga to, no? Parang scratch na talaga to si Juan de la Cruz. Sabihin natin Juan hardware store. So hardware store, and then the full name sabihin natin Juan de los Reyes naman. Okay? So, email address niya, sabihin natin juan.delos.reyes@gmail.com. Sabihin natin ganyan. And then, yung phone number niya, sabihin na natin 0916. Yan, random lang. Hindi yan actual na number. And then, password niya, sabihin natin, naglagay siya ng password na ganito. Okay? Okay, and then you select his country, Philippines. So later lagdagan natin to ng country kasi basically this platform can be used anywhere in the world, anywhere in the earth. Okay, as long as meron silang retail business, they are selling physical products with their store, they can use this system. And since this is web-based, anywhere it can be used. It can be you can sell this anywhere in the world. Alright? So, sa atin lang, nagtatagalog lang ako paminsan kasi nga, I am just accepting reseller now that is based lang dito muna sa Philippines. So, I'm not accepting any reseller outside the Philippines. But if you are the reseller now, you can sell your platform not only here in the Philippines, but anywhere in the world. Okay? So, Philippines. So, submit registration tayo. Okay, ayan. So, nakagawa na ng account si Juan Hardware Store. So, pwede ninyang ma-access yung kanyang dashboard or kanyang homepage. Alright? So, meron na account. And then, which go back to your reseller account, nakikita mo na dito if we're going to refresh this one in the stores. Okay? Ayan. So, andito na si Juan Hardware Store. Makikita mo na dito. And what are the things that we need to do here? Later, malalaman mo. So, dito sa owner, ayan, nandito yung owner, no? Pangalan ng owner. And then, that's it. Now, let's go to the account of Juan Hardware Store. So, what he will going to do now? So, basically, if, of course, as you know, kapag ka nagtitest ka pa lang, or hindi mo verify, he needs kasi to verify his email address. But if he will not going to verify his email address, he can already test the website or the platform. Kasi nga, pwede siya mag-upload ng one category, one payment, one user. Now, what if everything else is okay, nagandahan siya sa system, and he wanted to upgrade na to the paid account? Alright, so here is the paid account. Learn more tayo dito. So, what if magpupunta na siya dito? I'm going to upgrade na. So, dito yan sa admin account niya, and he'll going to go to upgrades, and he wanted to upgrade na, mag-avail na siya nitong 390 mo, or maybe naglagay siya ng promo code pag binigyan mo ng promo code. What if he will going to avail na? So, avail paid account, okay? And then, oops, wala pa pala tayong payment option. So, this is the time na gagawa muna tayo ng payment option. I-break muna natin to. Let's go now to the next video para ipakita ko sa iyo paano gumawa ng payment option for your store or for your reseller account.